Good morning, guys. This is the part 2 of my our lockdown drama with Summer. I'm going to deliver some of my here is Summer. I'm going to deliver our items na.
Hi!
Bye mga babies. Bye. Bye nanay. Bye. See you later mga babies. Take care night. Take care. I'm a delivery woman today. Oh no, there's a big problem. I hit him. Oh no. So you need to call the police pa because I hit someone there. Where's the other guy I hit earlier? Are you okay?
Yeah. Just
go. No, I'm sorry because just hurry up. I'm sorry because I have something to do today.
I know. Just
I'm
go.
I'm sorry. Thank you. You are safe now. Bye.
So
Here's your delivery, ma'am. Ma'am, here's your delivery. Here's your items now. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome,
One
ma'am.
heavy package.
Welcome.
Yes. Again?
Oh, ma'am, can I ask anything? Where is the water station here, or where can I buy water?
Just here. Bye.
Oh,
Take it. Bye.
Oh, ma'am, thank you for giving me. Thank you for giving me water. Oh no, I'm so tired. I'm so thirsty.
It's okay.
Oh, thank
Just
you,
go
ma'am.
on.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam enforcer. I don't know what your name, but you are madam.
Fluttershy, man.
Thank
Fluttershy.
you. Kiki. Oop. Oh no, it's Bob again. Oh, I'm sorry. Who's the driver? I'm sorry.
Just came. Where's my delivery
Oh
package?
no.
You just bumped my house, but it's okay. Where's
Oh
my...
no, Mom. Oh, I'm sorry. You're waiting for me for your delivery.
It's okay.
Oh no, Mom. I'm sorry. I bumped you. I bumped your car.
okay.
I'm sorry, Mom.
I said it's okay.
But I'm sure it's okay. Yeah, it's okay, Mom. Your back, it's okay. Yeah,
Okay.
it's okay, Mom.
Where's my
Mom,
delivery?
here's the delivery, okay? Here.
Thank you.
Mom, thank you. Because I'm busy, Mom. That is why.
Okay,
I'm
bye.
sorry. I will
Arf.
not drive tomorrow because I'm busy. I need to rest for a while. For one day only, Mom. But because I don't have my money to buy my babies for their milk, I work today, Mom. Mom, I'm sorry again. I'm sorry.
Here's some money.
Oh, Mom, are you giving me some money? That's the tip, Mom. That's the tip. That's the tip. Oh, Mom, thank you very much for giving me a tip, Mom. Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, you're good. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye, Mom. See you next
Bye.
day.
See you next day.
I'm go home now. I'm go home.
Wait, again.
I'm going to park. Hello, mga babies. How are you? Nana is late to go home this evening. Good evening, Nana. Good evening. Okay, we'll eat together. I wash my hands. I'm take a bath. Bye, everybody. See you next time.